Hello, this is Mark from Always Sold 123. Today I got a nice big van, okay? It's probably the only one we're gonna have here. It's 17 with 70,000 miles. It's a nice van, color white. I don't know what else to say, it's not a BMW. Okay, we're gonna do this very quick. We're gonna start with the windshield. Come closer, please. Okay, you got a windshield, nice, there's no cracks on the windshield, you got a VIN number right there, dashboard is good, and the roof is good from whatever you could see from here. Now let's look at this. Let's look at this fenders here. The fender is good, the tires been replaced recently, Firestones. The fender is good, the bumpers are just like any Transit. You got few rock chips on the hood, the grill is not cracked, the headlights working. You got minor dings, scratches, dents. Guys, we didn't even wash the van because we couldn't go through the car wash with this van, okay? So we're gonna sell it the way it is. This door, there's no damages on the door. It's beautiful. By the way, inside is very clean, owned by non-smoker and non-drinker. Doesn't smell like alcohol. It smells very nice, okay? You have partitioner here, you got the seats, no rips on the seats, you got Husky floor mats, very clean on the bottom. We're gonna start the car for you. The van, we're gonna open this one up. This is super clean. You got the shelves, and you got a big lift in the back that works, okay? And plus, this deal is such a hot deal, so if you catch fire, you can use this thing to just cool down a little bit. You're gonna cool down, please cool down. So we're gonna close this up, guys. Take a look. Now this door doesn't look like there's any damages on the door. You got the side, there's no damages here. You got consistent, nice Firestone tires. All right, so this side is good. I don't see any damages here. Now this side also, it looks like it has a backup camera. You have a towing situation here, sanitation. You got here, this thing works. You gotta press some kind of button here and there. Let me see. You gotta press and something, lift gate activate. Okay, up. He showed me you gotta press. Okay, so you gotta press something, lift gate activated. You gotta activate. So anyways, I gotta figure out. We have the owner of the van. He will actually show us how to do it. We just used it, and he pressed button twice. Hold on. Oh, right here. Here. Oh, you got it. Oh, unlocked. Hey, do you see how you know that? I don't know anything about the cargo van business. But listen, anyways, let's close this. It's working. So listen, I'm not that cargo van professional, okay? Okay, let's close this. But I got this, guys. Let's shut this off. I got it. It's for sale by us. It's owned by one of my good friends. It's not some kind of auction car. We help him sell on this van. So guys, he took care of it. He's a technician himself. All these things. The car is very nice. It's very nice. Okay, now I don't know what else to talk about. It looks like it's not a rust bucket on the bottom. You got a nice I call it ski racks, roof racks. Okay, you got a nice here at the side, a few light scratches. You got nice tires. You got this, you got that, and it starts very nice also. The interior is clean, you know. Okay, 79,649 with miles. I see it's super cold. There's no warning lights. Make sure you show that, please. There's no warning lights right there. Okay, and the windows work. You open up the. How do you open up this thing? Okay, let's open up this. Now we're gonna go under and over. Take a look. Clean. All the liquids there, you can see everything is standard, the coolant and everything. Guys, friendly disclosure, now this van is sold as is. Taxes, fees, registration is not included in price. Shipping, we don't know how much the shipping is gonna be because it's oversized. Usual car is $1.25, maybe it will be a $2 per mile, okay? And come and pick it up, it's better. We'll issue a temp tag and you just drive it, wherever you wanna go with it. And all your paperwork will be done remotely and payments with the wire transfers, okay? Now, when you have more questions, if you need to know anything else about this cargo van, call us. We're gonna do a bunch of pictures right now. The Carfax at damage report, take a look at the Carfax. It's on the Carfax, so we don't have any bullshit. And this video walk around also gonna be on the Carfax and on the website. Now, I think I said it all. Thank you so much for watching. Let's park this huge machinery because it's not something usual for us to have. But maybe it will be a good start for us to learn how to sell these oversized vehicles, all right? Instead of my Audis right here. Even though I like my Audis better, tell you the truth. But anyways, if you're interested in a cargo van, it's a medium roof, 148. And you like to purchase it in low miles with 79K, give us a call. God bless and have a great day. Let's park it.